40-minute drive here.
All right. So I'm passing these papers out real quick, and then we'll talk for a minute. Today we're going to be doing an activity. Before we do that, though, just run through some due dates. So we got the introduction is due today. So sometime today, if you haven't emailed me your introduction for your IA, you should do that. The Monday we return from Thanksgiving break, your IA calculations are due. So you need to complete your Excel sheet. If you don't remember how we did that, the video of me kind of doing it with some made up data is on the My Notre Dame, so you can kind of play that video and walk, as you're doing it, and walk through it at the same time. I suspect that most of us haven't done that yet, and that's fine. And then the full-on IAIA is due Monday the 8th. So the following Monday is when the full-on whole hog paper is done. As a word of warning, writing the full-on paper takes
10 hours.
Probably about 10 hours to write it and type it, think about what to say and revise and make sure the formatting's okay. At this point, you can write introduction, perfectly able to write that now. Data collection, perfectly capable of writing that right now. Mathematical processes, you could write that right now. You could type in the formulas for your calculations right now. You can't do your results, your conclusion until you've done your Excel sheet. But if you're looking for hey, I want to get started, and so it's not 10-hour chunk, I don't think I have a 10-hour chunk in the next 3 weeks. You can do some pieces, do an hour every couple of days, get some of this in, pick away at it so it's not left with a giant boulder, that Sunday evening and you don't sleep that day. I'll tell you what, when I read these things, you can definitely tell the people that wait to the last minute and the people that didn't. Because what gets cut out when you wait to the last minute? The revisions. You can tell this is something nobody had read through. Stuff, they have sentences that don't make sense, that aren't saying what they really probably need to say. Things are forgotten. You didn't have a chance to go back through the directions of how to write the thing to make sure you include everything you're supposed to. Things get omitted. So again, don't try to just do one 10-hour, I'm gonna marathon, put this thing together. It's gonna be a miserable day. Probably won't turn out that well. Find an hour here and there and just work on it for an hour. Even if you don't finish a section, that's okay. Get an hour. Type the formulas in. That's just mindless and it takes time, right? So again, over the next little bit, you have a lot of things to do here on the IA. So take advantage and try to chip away at the thing. Today, we're going to be doing this activity that I just passed out. So I'm going to read the introductory paragraph here. It says, there are 10 people that walk up to a shooting gallery at Cedar Point. Each person is a perfect shot, meaning they will not miss the target they are aiming at. 10 cardboard ducks appear simultaneously, and each shooter picks one of the 10 ducks at random, takes one shot, and hits the target. All shooters are playing together, but do not consult one another beforehand. This means multiple shooters can pick the same target. They will all hit it. Our job is to design and carry out an experiment to estimate the average number of individual ducks hit after all 10 people have shot. Carry out 20 different trials and use your data to estimate the probability that more than 6 of the ducks get hit, not including 6. So you're going to write the goal of your experiment and the plan. Before that, though, let's talk about how we're going to simulate this on the calculator. Okay? Everybody, take out your graphing calculator. If you don't have one, I have 4 on my desk, but that's all I got. Everybody needs one for today.
Dibs.
Yeah. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the random seed on our individual calculators. So you're going to start just on the home screen. You're going to type in your birth date without any leading zeros. So for example, my birth date is February 2nd, so 2/2/1981. So I'm going to type in my birth date with no leading zeros, right? So I didn't do 0202. So just type in your birth date. Yeah, man. Like month, day, year. Right? Month, day, year. Okay? And then we're going to press the STO button that right next to the number 1. And then you're going to press math. You're going to go over to probability. You're going to pick RAND and press enter. Oh, and just to double check, no 2 people here have the same birthday, right? Probably not. It's pretty rare. Okay.
T-O.
Okay. So what that's done is the calculator, how the random integer command works is like all the outputs are like kind of pre-programmed. And if your calculator hasn't reset where the starting point is, we're all just going to get the same outputs, which is stupid. By doing this random seed change, we're going to reset everybody to a different starting point, so the outputs of the random integer command we're about to use all be different. So that's all we're doing, right? All we did there. Okay. So you don't have to do that again. That's done. Once is enough for this for today. Are we good? Okay. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to now press the math button, and I'm going to go over to PRB, and I'm going to pick random integer, and press enter. If you have the old operating system, you may just put it on the line, and I'll show you how to enter the stuff in a second. The newer operating system calculators, you'll have the menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask the calculator to give me 10 random integers between the numbers 1 and 10. So our lower will be 1, our upper will be 10, and we're going to ask for 10 numbers from that section. Okay? Repeats are okay. What this is simulating is the 10 shooters are going to be the 10 numbers it outputs. The number that outputs is the duck that shooter aims and shoots at. So if I look here, when I output this, I get this output. So if yours have the older operating system, this is how you would enter it. Just 1, 10, 10. It's fine.
See that?
So what this says here is these are the ducks that were hit, right? So I'm going to count how many distinct numbers I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but I've already counted 5 and 6. So I have 7 distinct numbers. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
So on my trial 1 on my paper, I would put like a mark on the 7 to say that I got a 7.
Okay.
That there's 7 ducks
If
hit.
there's 2, like same numbers, you get 2 dots or just.
No, man, I'm just counting how many distinct numbers I have, because that means there are 7 distinct ducks hit.
So individual numbers at 5.
What? I mean, it just depends on, just depends on what your output was. So like I would put 7 in this column on my paper. Individual ducks hit, I just put a 7.
Oh.
Bless you. The rest of the row you can use or not. It's just there to help you keep count of how many distinct numbers you get. Okay? So you're gonna do that 20 times on your calculator.
That calculation.
Yep. So once you've done it once, you can just press enter again, and it'll just keep doing it. You just have to count each time. Once you've done that 20 times and recorded your result, you're gonna come up and tell me I'm gonna get a thing for the whole class. Because we need a class data.
It's like one, these are the number of ducks, right? So if I have 4 times, I put 400.
Oh man, you're just like all you're doing.
Counting.
How many different numbers we got?
So you have an ace. You have an ace. You have a 1, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all you're doing. It's just like a spaced across amount to make it easier to count. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Wait, so 7 times.
10 different numbers? So the number that you get.
There's 6 numbers here.
Look, it'll be pretty dumb if we all get the same output. That's not,
Yeah, so you just count 1 8. How many of each number row did you turn this in?
come on, Brody.
Look, there's 1 8, so you count that as 1. There's 10. There's 8. You don't count that because we already got 8. There's 9.
So just do the, you only have to do the,
And then the
very right
So you got the 8 we already counted.
So you just put an X number. So it shows up.
More?
Yes.
6.
I could never be a teacher.
So Max, what we're doing is, so this line, which you just did, is really the way you want to do this. So like I have a 9. Awesome. I have a 2. So 3, 2 September 16th. So that's what so you just go back through your calculator, get those other 3, fix those out with that group. That's all you're doing.
I really want all 10.
What is the birthday thing?
So the way your calculator pulls the random numbers, it just has like the random generated list and test line. So if you don't reset the randoms, everybody's gonna get the same.
I got the 7.
It's all starting at the same spot.
If I got that,
It's not actually generating the random.
holy mind.
You can't do what we're doing right now on that calculator. You need to grab a calculator. No, that's, oh yeah, you can't. You need to go find it.
Mr. Boyle is always reliable.
Yeah. Sorry, Max.
You have to leave something.
Yeah.
Macaroni and cheese.
I know.
Oh no, that's what they say. I don't borrow stuff from him. I have my own calculators.
You have to leave your wallet.
I've done 5 recently.
One of mine goes 317.
So I'm done.
I've done.
And we're only going to be looking at this house. I'm asking how many ones do you get now? 2s? 3s? 4s? 5s? And 6s? 7s? 8s? 9? Yeah, what we're doing, you can can go up into part B. I believe also we have part B, but part B then we need the class data.
Okay.
I think if we look at the back, we can do this. We can do that. And then have to stop.
No way.
Class table for everybody else to get it done. Cool. You got it.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Maggie.
Is it possible?
So your birthday is out of the zeros.
Has anyone got anything below 5?
11,
No.
7,
Well, first one to do it, I'll give it 10
Yeah.
points.
9,
So like
7.
each trial can end 1 year.
This one here.
Are you kidding me?
You're gonna be level 8.
These are trial years, so that's how many these are, and that's how many things at a shop. Dude, this you did it wrong. Are you sure you were doing it right?
Go back to man.
You did it wrong too. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, you do.
Yeah, that's how everybody's doing it. You gotta do it. You gotta get it.
Oh, so you write the numbers here.
Oh,
Yeah, you do it wrong.
You're telling everyone else they're doing it wrong.
You did it wrong.
You did it right. You doing it wrong.
How do I do it?
Yeah,
Chris. Wait, what do we have to do? Steve? I was
one number. These are the number. These are the number.
X them and then you count.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm gonna go back to my history.
I want to get a 10.
Everyone tell me everyone.
Yeah.
Anything below 5 or above 8.
yes. Just pretty rare.
Yeah. I'm trying to pull it off.
So to get a 10, like,
Yeah.
or I'm sorry, to get a 1, all the same number is 1 times 10 to the negative 9 is the probability.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
There's a number of each.
If someone gets that, you better freak out.
Those are all the numbers that we. No, someone could that.
So like, these numbers, we do this here. This is the way that it's
How many individual numbers?
You got a 4.
How many numbers is it?
Cross out the letter. This is easy. You get a 9. The answer is still right.
Yeah, they are. You just gotta put them in the other thing.
Cross out the 3. 9.
Tell me something second.
6. 6.
Olympics for time.
8. Another.
3 days.
I related
Oh,
textures.
yeah, they're right. Also,
I'm always between 7 and 4.
I'm at 6, 7, 6.
Oh.
So you count for this one.
Actually,
Oh, yeah.
close to 9.
Oh, you're crossing off.
Like this is the dot,
That
right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So
I'm sorry. Just put the X's on the number you get, and then count how many X's you have each row.
yeah, that's all you need.
You've written a whole ton of numbers that are.
But here's the neat thing: is all that stuff is still there. You just scroll up.
Okay.
It takes, it's real quick. If you finish,
The X's.
seems like once you're finished, come bring your sheet up, and we're gonna enter your data in the class set. All right, Brooklyn. You're only looking in this column here. And I'm just gonna ask you some questions. Okay, how many ones did you get?
Maybe 1. Oh, 0, sorry.
Okay, is there 2?
No.
Any 3s?
No.
4s?
No.
5s? Okay. And 6s?
1. 6 X's.
How's your highest sense?
8. I want to get that 9 so bad.
I got 1 now.
4.
Actually?
Haven't been below 5 or above.
8.
Yeah.
You already got it right.
Obviously, you don't got a 9.
Crazy cool. That's the
4.
first off, Tom.
Cherish it what it counts.
1, 9.
Okay, nice.
They did what?
I was on 2 and gave you 19 numbers. So try recounting either the
What?
sixes
That's
or the
not-
sevens.
I'll do that and then I'll come back.
Okay. Sam,
Yo.
so you're only looking, did you overhear what I was doing?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So I
No zeros?
no 0, no 1, no 2, no 3, no 4. I have 1 5. I have 8 6s.
Okay.
9 7s. 2 8s. Just that add up.
That's fine. Thanks. Hi, Maren.
Hi,
How are you?
good, how are you?
How's your data going? You check.
I actually got quite a bit. I actually got some multiple, but I think I've got like 7.
You can make that.
So the highest number you got working.
Okay, I have 0 1s, 0
What'd you get?
2s, 0 3s, 0
I
4s,
got 1 9.
4 5s, 5 6s, 8 7s, 1 8, and 2 9s.
I got an 4. I got 6, 7, 8, 2 9. Wait, it was 7 6s.
7 6s.
She's the lead.
Thomas?
Good.
Do you overhear what we're doing?
Yeah, so nothing 1 through 4. And then I have 1 5, 11 6s, 5 7s, 2 8s, and 1 9.
I lied. Sorry, I just wanted to get you excited. Not getting excited like that. You know I like this kind of stuff.
Alright.
Yeah.
On the first part, I have to say.
I don't think this is the first one.
Wait.
I did it.
I got a 9.
He's got a 9.
Wait, Mr.
Oh, lines are hot right now.
Find the
Lines
picture.
are hot. Very hot. Hold on, I went. Hold on. I like that pace.
Like betting.
No, no, we're falling off on that. Yes.
Oh, periodically. So is that the goal?
Yeah.
But I thought it was
2
design
9.
I'm just 6. All 6.
There's like 2, wait, it's like there's 2 things.
Mine's not even
So
excited.
down.
Individual doc. Yes.
No, we got 3.
No.
Use that.
I'm excited about
Close it down
So
to
you
5.
want to find about the 6.
No.
Line Chris 4.
It's right here. I'm literally down. What are the numbers?
Well, I wrote all those numbers, so I just figured.
You just get the It doesn't really matter.
Well, I don't
This
know,
is
I
only,
felt,
this is only count that
I felt different, so I just wanted to
matters.
be the same as everyone else.
Okay, you do you. As long as you don't, you don't have to do it.
5. 5's getting hard going a little bit. Never mind.
That's 6.
Thank you.
For bulk racing. Oh, Jack, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to ask you questions about this column. Okay. How many 1s?
0,
2s?
0,
3s?
0,
4s?
0,
5s?
2,
6s?
6,
7s?
10,
8s?
2,
9s?
0,
10s?
0.
Cool. Thank you, sir. Hi, Max. So I'm going to ask you questions about this column. Okay. How many 1s?
0,
2s?
0,
3s?
0,
4s?
1,
5s?
3,
6s?
10,
7s?
5,
8s?
1,
9s?
0,
10s?
0.
Cool. Thank you, sir.
Good.
Blake, sir, how you doing?
Doing great. How are you?
All right. You know what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. So any 1s?
No.
2s?
No.
3s?
No.
4s?
No.
5s?
Yeah, 3 of them.
How many 6s?
5,
7s?
11,
8s?
and just 1 8.
Anything else? Cool. Thank you, sir. Hi, Evan. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. You know what we're doing?
Yep.
Okay. How many 1s?
0,
2s?
0,
3s?
0,
4s?
0,
5s?
6,
7? Or sorry, 6s?
7,
6 5s.
7s?
5,
Wait. 8s?
1,
9s?
0,
Tens?
Zero.
This number, you had like 19 numbers. So go back and double check.
Alright.
Okay?
Zero all the way up until 5.
Did you do evolution?
2. No, 2 5s. Yeah, 2 5s. 7 6s. Seven sevens. And 4 8s. Oh, come on. My name's BRODY.
Oh, why did I do that?
It happens a lot. It's a common misconception. Oh, I got another 9.
Oh, my hard work is here.
Chemistry
Two
club.
5 on the day.
You should gamble.
Hey, man, what's up?
I didn't see one.
That's okay.
You are
Thanks.
destined to be gamer.
What is it?
Okay, how do you think?
She's so hard, man.
Alright, still waiting on Jackson, Ethan, Massimo, David, Maggie, and Krish. Oh, Maggie. So you want to go? Okay. How many ones? 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. 8s. And then no 9s or 10s.
Just add up all the individual things, and then you think over 60, I don't think about it. Done.
Yeah.
How many ones?
Yeah, and then you,
0.
anything above
0.
27,
4.
you add the dot rest, you divide it by
5s.
4.
Why would it be a
6s.
4.
because it says
Oh, why did
probability that more than 60.
Even like
8s.
0.
So
9s.
1.
So, like my brother was 6. It's like a little indie fan.
How many ones?
0.
I started that.
You did start 3.
0. 0.
Every
3.
Every time.
6s.
7.
7s.
7.
8s.
2.
And 9s.
1.
10s.
0.
Thanks, dude. Ethan, David, Massimo, you guys are all that's left.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries.
Okay, I'm gonna title fresh.
Oh, back to 8.
Last one.
No, you put that. It says.
What? That makes sense.
Okay, so what do I do now? Now you email it. No, I'm here.
Because it's not safe. You have 4?
Yeah.
You can't say. Oh! You know, if you're gambling's for you.
It's not an addiction. That's true.
What?
This box sucks. Another pet and lunch other shows the rules. He said why like play games exactly.
Oh, why'd you do a dot? You don't put a dot.
It's the final type, bro.
Do you want us to
Put a
write
dot
it as
IBS.
like our
That's
probability
not-
as a
that's like
decimal, or
G-code.
could we do it as a percentage?
Percentage, decimal, and fraction are all
Remake.
grouped.
Oh. Just make it. You broke it.
It's like a
IBSL. You just type it normal. You don't put a dot. You don't put a dot. Type normal Google Doc title. Oh no.
So.
Chris, come here. Look at this. Look at that one. Name your word on you. All important.
Close to find.
It's your clothes. I know that. Type like that. I was gonna say that.
It's the last one.
Well, type the thing when I'm thinking.
What hex?
Oh, Jake, Patrick, and
Right.
let me get these guys.
IBSL. No dots.
Ethan, you know what we're doing?
I promise you.
Okay, how many ones?
0.
2s.
0.
It says it still
Zero.
doesn't do 4s.
Zero.
It still does 5s.
2.
6s.
7.
8s. Or sorry, 7s.
9.
8s.
2. 0.
Wait, how'd you get 0?
I want to hit 10.
I didn't mean to say that.
Oh no, I mean how? Wait, I'm just wondering if I counted my work. Cause don't you just aren't you supposed to just count up how many you get? Oh.
Looking at this is the only.
Oh, okay, that's
How many ones?
0.
That's why you can't say that you didn't
Zero.
threes.
So there's like 3.
1. It's what?
Fives?
Instead of each.
I think I said it earlier.
3.
You're not gonna get it.
Bro, 8.
7.
Yeah.
3.
So it's 1.
10 is
5.
Yes.
Yep.
I'll pay out pretty well.
10 to the 9.
Massimo, you're the last one.
Yeah, I haven't done. I was hoping to come back.
Okay. 1.
0. 2. 0. 3. 0. 4. 0. 5. 3.
6s. 5 sevens. 5 sevens.
Yep. 3 8.
No.
3 9.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna have one big block of like 20 clean.
Perfect. Thanks.
Yeah. You're just turning this.
What's the lowest I got?
We got 6 people got a 4.
Chris Patel, you had 4 4s?
In 4th hour, we had 4 3s.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, who's still left?
No, we're all done. Those people are absent, so they're not even in there. So if you go to your back sheet, the back of your page, where the class data is at the very bottom, the only part that really matters, the only part that you really need is the totals. So you can fill in the rest as much as you have room for, but the totals, use the totals row. Okay? So at the bottom of your table where it says total, make sure you use my total rows. Fill in as much of the above stuff as you feel like. The totals are all you really need to answer anything.
That whole bottom graph, just only the total row.
The total row is the only one that you really need to have there.
Do you have to come up with the rest of the graph?
If you feel like that.
A whole lot of people put now.
That's why I said if you feel like that. You know what I mean?
That's fine.
A lot of people right now.
That's all you need to be able to do the last question. I'll bring it back in just a second. I'm just, before I forget, getting that into the OneNote.
Clearing boundaries.
I'm doing it, chill, though. Patience. Patience. Patience is key.
Yes, you have to do the dot plot. Using your data, not the class data.
Oh, so it's asking for
We need to do that in calculator.
6 of the ducks.
I mean, you can just,
Oh yeah, I'm there.
there's nothing to do on the calculator. I mean, it's, you just put dots on your
Yeah, I'm
thing.
thinking of scatter
Yeah.
Above 6, I think you add them 3 big add on whatever, and divide by. Yeah. So it'd be like, yeah, so it's like 7 and 10, you add those up, and you do over the total number.
Yeah, like, it's for your data. It's for
See this? For one number you? Round total probability of 3 is 6. So you that. So you do, so you do, you're trying
Yeah,
to
let's
figure
do
out
probability
the
free
probability
numbers.
of.
What it, we
So you add up
over
115
6.
plus
You add 79. Okay.
It's that all. Add up. So that's the, yeah, so that's the bottom. So let's add up.
Let's do this.
Take whatever five you want.
First, let's highlight
160 out of
three
3
cells, before water, after water, or.
2.5.
What is?
There, and then water,
This is the
and then
class
below it.
Around mine. You just add up 115, 36, 9. Put it all over.
Guy,
Put it over 20,
and
right?
just vertical tap.
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, over the. Oh.
Is it?
I don't know.
Well, wait.
2.5, I thought.
Oh.
Is it over 20?
Is that what it all?
Put it over 20.
Yeah, you put it over 20.
20?
Yeah, over
It's
20
straight
or
20.
320.
It's a big difference in amount.
Straight, wait, straight 20 or straight?
Yeah, straight to the other way.
Straight 20.
So it's 0.5.
No, 160 over 20.
15, 26, and 9.
8.
Put that over.
Wait, what?
That's 60 over
320 or is it? I think it's just 20.
No, it's just 20. Why are you guys?
Now we highlight the part. So the
You
meat
add
of your
up, so you add up 115, 36, and 9 to get 160.
So we're trying to figure out the probability that more than 6 ducks get.
Yeah.
So anything more than 6 is 70 minus.
What do you put? What do you put 160
do
over?
that probably for like.
What do you do?
Cell.
So I'm saying.
You add up 115, 36, 9.
So the 8?
You know why? It makes sense that it's like,
It's only gonna be.
How?
if you do like, if you had 8 more than 6, right? If 8 more than
That would make your chances of.
You literally do, yeah, do the same thing. But just with
Yeah, it would, dividing it by 20.
Which one are you talking about?
Is it over 20?
You put
Over
113.
20
I'm
or
talking about this one.
Yeah, no, it's over 320.
Okay, so 0.5.
If you put it over 20, your chance
Oh, we're not, I'm not talking about classes.
again asking all numbers from 160.
This one.
That one's over 20, because you only have 20.
Oh, I mean for my own individual, and then, I see.
So you add, David, you add.
Once I add up. So I add up.
You have 8 that are above 6, right?
Oh, not to like,
Zero.
like, like this row.
Yeah.
So, and then you do 8, like, not at all. You said 1.
Oh, okay.
Are you doing? Yeah, okay. No, like.
Mr. Coolidge, can you put down like the details?
That's all you need to do that last part.
So the fucking worksheet is really like.
So
Was that tough?
6.50. That's fine.
If you don't round now, it's 30%. So you can, if it's an exact answer, you can round it.
I haven't even started.
If you round, no.
Yours would be you add up more than 6, so you, I added up 8 for 1 to get 13 times 20, and then you do that.
No, it wouldn't be that, it'd be over.
whatever it is. 320.
These all have. Yeah.
We'll just add the ones that are over 6.
Yeah.
Minus 16, and then whatever.
Same, you don't think like that?
Oh, yeah, you don't do anything with them.
No, it does. It literally does.
When's the last 6 sevens?
It has that.
The other side's Zach's a 6 number.
That's 6, because you go.
Well, I think
It's not equal, sounds like it's over 6, you don't count 6.
Oh, so
It's
okay.
I got like 20. Did you go on?
0.5. I wanted to.
Is it 0.5 or 11?
or you can change the 50%.
Same difference, but.
Wait,
So what's your probability? Would you put the Mr. Cook?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, so you just have take whatever, I guess. Yes. Just take each. I like it. Take your
Same as like right now.
Add all the value. Put it at
Is it? I've done to 100 questions.
If I get
I've done to 100 questions. I've done to 100.
Honestly, it's hard. I don't think it's easy. You can go ahead and ask.
Oh, you're right.
Add up your sevens, you're all done.
Divided by equals 6. Oh,
Just you two.
what? Yes.
First one divided by 20, the last one divided by.
You could leave you.
You should. What?
Your 7s, your 8s, your 9s, your 10s added together.
Still so lost.
Did you redo Aaron's survey?
Yeah, I did. I mean, yeah, I need them.
Pretty sure some of the ones out there.
If you guys are done, you can put your completed activity in the folder online.
Crazy that everything is above.
Dude, I have a 50% chance.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah,
That's exactly 50%.
What was the first one?
Pretty cool.
I got
Fourth hour got like 47.
I had 65
or something. I think is what theirs came out to be.
You got exactly 50.
Oh, they're
Yeah.
not precise.
Higher one?
It
Yeah.
did two. I did all of this.
total of 6. Wait, is the probability 0.5?
It's the memory, like the memory.
These are the
Iconic is
probability
use,
for
iconic is use.
I'm not even going to touch it. Let's put it up.
I thought it was.
Oh.
That's the last question.
Semantic is fast.
What did you? That's not his last question.
Yes,
There's the last sentence.
facts, and then like,
Episodic is like.
episodic, like your
Explicit is your things you can like implicit.
No, we're
Procedural
exactly 50.
things, like that kind of stuff.
That means we're doing it right.
Flash word, flash ball. Yeah. Proactive is in the future when the past interferes, and then retroactive is when it's in the past.
More than 6
How much of this is above this 6? So
Yeah.
how 6 this plus this plus this is equal to 160.
Yeah, it's short term is 3 or 4 like it stays in there. 7 things at a time. Bucket makes it fall. And then long term is if you're on it's on look at that story already, go in there.
It's like I sometimes.
Yeah, I'm going to. What email on my eyes?
Okay.
I am. No, but like, no one sends it. You send it or something.
Have you?
Alright.
Yeah, I.
Here you go,
Did you like actually message me?
Wait, Zoe can coach you or something.
Who's happy with that?
My paper by 50.0.
But I haven't finished mine. I like the
50.00. The 0 before the 0.5, Chris, is not a 6 as in like 1.
What 0 last one?
It's 0.500.
Brooklyn's hard.
2 or 3.
Let's go with the plan.
It's just this last sentence. Use one of those.
How much you got?
It's the last sentence.
Like putting random data trials, I've got total random trials.
Yeah.
Just make that sentence a 55%. No, not for this one. Let's go to this.
How many is it?
What?
How many IB classes are you in?
So literally.
And how much did you?
Oh, I'm in one.
What?
How much
Oh.
did you get every night?
Anything over 6 so.
How much sleep do you get every night? Oh my god.
On average.
And 4 8, so 7 plus 4 and 5 at 20.
Just your responsibility.
Yeah, sorry.
Hey,
Dude,
Jeff.
oh my god, I'm talking about that.
So,
I don't know, I think Patrick showed us Yannick like freshman year. And he thinks he's so funny when he shows me. You guys want to see it?
that was so funny.
Actually, yes.
At least you know that it's like,
Not at all.
still like almost 3
Oh yeah,
hours. So if you just do like, a half an hour a day, you got 10 hours.
It's all the ones in 7.
So like, again, like,
Wait, how do you know it takes exactly 10
the
hours?
earlier you can start working, the easier this is gonna be.
Oh yeah, the night before.
All of my
The night before would be terrible.
The night before
How do you know it takes exactly 10 hours?
I know. I'm just making just using my teacher heuristics. Yes. Yes.
Front page with title, name, and candidate code. Oh, where do we find our
Would have been on that sheet of paper that Ms. Sager.
It said,
Did you see the one that makes money out of blue one certified?
I'm making some money. Bonnie Blue. Short's coming today.
You see the song?
What? Does he give you haircut money? He did the one. Well, say, okay.
It's so long.
I had like 20 and I'm not like it's like,
Oh, wow.
So yeah, I was like, bro,
You could just give me a 50, bro.
Yeah, I was like, yo, give me 20, I'll pay you back.
Jason, did you do my survey?
The one about IB classes or whatever?
Yeah, but like the new one.
Oh, no, let me, I got you. Is it in the classroom?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's linked on the class page.
It's a little late for that. You see Russell recording.
Yeah,
See, what do I get?
you guys fill out Ethan's stuff too.
Yeah, I did. You see this? What do I get at? Mary, did you just make a new one today?
If I
I did not. I did that.
No, we just, 2 days ago.
Are you
I told you this
I will be
was.
there.
really don't work?
No, I don't.
But then, you're not.
Because I got 10 hours.
Just updated
I would
it.
have answered that.
Really?
Did you work at the old?
I can't eat. I make my own hours, so I get paid $100.
Are you bringing food?
I'm really confused.
Yeah,
I know you say